Cold Steel, what have you done? What have you done with the Spartan? Hey, what's up, everybody? Today, we're checking out the new Cold Steel Spartan. This is, I guess, the 2024 version. They made it a flat grind. They got rid of the coal edges and the sweeps and the sabre grind and all the fancy stuff. Now this thing tapers down to nothing and is a full-on flat grind. So let's get straight to it. This is the box. I'll read you the stats off of it real quick. Blade length, 4.5 inches. Maybe if I can get that adjusted there. Blade length, 4.5 inches. Overall length, 10.5. Steel is AUS-10A. That's a Japanese steel. Weighs 9 ounces. Blade thickness, 4 millimeters. And the handle is 6 inches of Griv-Ex. Throw that out of here. Okay, so play around with it. The difference is flat grind instead of the sabre grind compared to the other, rest of every Spartan ever. And they say blade thickness is the same. Well, here's my trusty purple tape measure here. 4 millimeters. Yeah, from this section here. The entire rest of it tapers down to 1 millimeter maybe. Super thinned out. But figured we'd check it out. Cold Steel symbol on there, if you could see. It's not adjusting for me. But it says Spartan on this side. The other side says Cold Steel AUS-10A Taiwan. This is a legitimate version. If you go to Cold Steel's website, this is what they got now. The flat grind. They had the had the sabre grind, and then they had Lynn Thompson's serrated version in the S35VN steel. Okay, the G10 handles, and then the serrated versions was a flat grind as well. The regular serrated versions, as well as Lynn Thompson's fancy version, were all flat grind, and I guess they liked it and kept it around and threw away all the real Spartans and gave us full flat grind regular Spartans. Okay, out of the box review here. Opens up very nicely. Everything's nice and smooth. You hear that nice thick crack when it locks. Satisfying as heck. That's your triad lock in here. Strongest lock in the world. As far as it fitting in my hands, I got decent size, gorilla hands here. Fits perfectly right inside. I got a little bit of wiggle room if I needed to. It fits my full palm. Fits good. Nice and heavy. Now, getting rid of all that extra steel, that extra thickness that the other Spartans have, does drop some weight. Should be lighter, smoother, a little bit of faster, a little cutting action, whatever. This thing, it fits nice though. Nice and smooth. Even in here, there's nothing snaggy, nothing cutting me. Okay? Fits in the pocket. Got a decent, finger thickness to it almost. So it's a little bit on the fatter side. It's decently heavy. You could tell you're swinging this thing, and it still has the Kopis-style sweep here of the contours of the edge. It's nice. All in all, I give it a thumbs up. I wanted the sabre grind, obviously. That's what the Spartan is. And I order it, right? Even all the pictures and the descriptions are the sabre grind. And then this thing comes in the mail. It's like, what's up with this? They apparently... Cold Steel, good job, GSM. They started manufacturing these and shipping these out without telling anybody. None of the stores know. Nobody online has any of their pictures updated. So here you go. You wonder what's going on? This is what you're getting now. Okay? They changed it. Yes, they did. And this is the first video on YouTube explaining that. They did indeed change. This is new, and it's updated. They finally updated their pictures on Cold Steel's website itself. So this is indeed what you're getting here. Now I'll show you real quick throw it in the pocket, don't mind me. You know, I'm fat nowadays. Have it in your pocket, nice and thin. Okay? Get it out. It's in there, right? You want it out? Instant deployment with this little Demco plate here. I believe that's what they call it. Andrew Demco plate. Okay, invented this thing. It's a pocket clip. It's a thumb stud. Right? One hand opening, no problem. Okay? If you got big hands, anyhow. Throw that sucker in your pocket. Now, you gotta watch it. The little bump here does get caught. Okay? Slides in there, disappears. Pull it out. Instant deployment. Fast as can be. You know, you practice with that a little bit. Less than a second getting the thing open. Easy peasy. Awesome. They got holes here for a lanyard. And it came with a separate lefty style belt clip. So you can unscrew this thing. Screw it in over here. They do take hex keys. Really tiny, similar to like Allen wrench style, but these are stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided stars. Tiny ones. Okay, you can play around with that. Decent sized lock. Everything's stars. Different sized designs here. But yeah. That's your first official look at the new Cold Steel Spartan. Flat grind. That's how these things work nowadays. It's beautiful. I love it. I give it a thumbs up. Do I wish I had the sabre grind version come in the mail instead of this? Yes. You know, why do you get a Spartan? Because that's a pretty bad looking knife. That's nice right there. Nice contour lines. This thing though, it's less thick, so it's going to be less strong for, you know, chopping down trees with it, but it is going to be more slicey. You'll have more cutting action. Out of the box sharpness, it was okay. It would not shave hair, but it would cut paper. That's the level you're at. So I took it to some croc sticks, a little bit of leather strop. This thing will shave you clean. You know, no problem. Just go like that. Look at that. Beautiful. In case I didn't get a good angle of that. Things I do for YouTube. I mean, that thing, I'm gonna have to, right there is where I did. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna have to, you know, spend a month regrowing that. You're welcome. Okay? This thing, super duper sharp. It has a stonewash finish. I don't know if you can sort of see that from the reflection. Stonewash. It's okay. I kind of dig it. It's nice. You could polish it up if you don't like that. You know, they claim stonewash, you know, it'll get rusty a little bit more. I was checking my arm now. It's bald. Whew. You know, I gotta keep that away from this. But anyhow, you can smooth that out. They say stonewash can get rusty a little bit easier, but this, you know, if you check out the metallurgic properties of it, it shouldn't get rusty anyway because it's a stainless steel. So not much to worry about. But if you are, you know, you can keep it like this. You know, add a little bit of oil every now and again. You know, whatever you want to add there to prevent the rust, or fix it, or just leave it alone. It's probably going to be fine for years, unless you drop it at the bottom of a lake or something. But there we go. Fits your hand nice. Nice in there. Makes you feel like a Spartan every time you have it in your pocket. This thing's nice and discreet. Fits in nice. I will say, if you have anything in the pocket watch pocket of your pocket, it doesn't want to come out because of how fat it is. But, you know, if your pockets, you don't have anything in there, pops right out. If you got crappier jeans or thicker jeans, or ones that's sort of wearing on the pocket a little bit, you might want to watch out for that, because these Demco plates do rip up your pockets pretty good if you have that. But otherwise, you know, as you just seen, works just fine. Hope you guys liked this video, learned something, checked it out. New knife, new Cold Steel Spartan. Cut test, that's awesome. Like you just seen, sharp as can be. You know, it'll slice through anything you want, everything from food to whatever, because of how thin it is. The edge geometry is so fine that just the shape alone will get you very, very slicey on anything you want to do. So, thumbs up on the knife. Does a great job. Did I want the coolness factor? Yeah. With this, I'm still happy with it because I'm not going to be probably chopping too many trees with this thing or stabbing car hoods. You know, I'm going to be using it for the everyday slicey things that you need a slicey thing for. So, should work out good. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you guys want to see next. This is the new channel. New. I haven't updated anything. I haven't added anything in like a decade. So this is video number 1. I got a crappy setup. You're on a box. Recording from my phone right now. But stick around. We're redoing everything, rebranding the channel. This channel's going to be awesome. I'm going to get some new setups. We're going to monetize it again and upgrade all of this. So stick around. It's going to be cool. We're going to do some new stuff, go some new places. You'll see. Check around. I got some plans. See you guys later.